Linking a bank account to your Fiverr account allows you to withdraw your earnings easily. Here's how to do it. Log into Fiverr. Start by logging into your Fiverr account. Make sure you have your account set up and are verified. Go to Earnings. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Earnings. This will take you to the page where you can manage your payment methods. Select Withdrawal Method. On the Earnings page, scroll down to find the Withdrawal section. Click on Withdraw and then select Bank Transfer as your preferred withdrawal method. Add bank account details. You will need to fill out your bank account details. This typically includes your bank name, account number, and routing number or IBAN. Verify your information. Double check your details for accuracy. Any errors may lead to delays in fund transfers. Confirm the linking. Once you've entered the information, click Save or Link Account. Fiverr may send a confirmation to ensure the account is linked successfully.